Welcome to EduTune for Kids.
Ready to learn and play?
With books and rockets,
It's so much fun! Hi friends, I'm Luna. And I'm the boy. Come sing and ride with us. Let's start our Wheels Go Round adventure. Hey, hey, come and ride. Luna's here by your side. Jump, jump, clap and go. Watch the happy wheels all roll. Go, go. Round and round, let's go, let's go. Watch the happy wheels all roll. Spin so fast, hooray, hooray. Come and ride with us today. Beep, 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 so loud. Everybody sing out proud. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Riding makes the day so sweet. Yay, yay, beep, beep. Swish, swish, wipe away. Rain can't stop our fun today. Splash, splash, dance around. Happy raindrops all around. Woohoo! Open up, jump inside. Come along and take a ride. Blink, blink, shining bright. Sparkling in the day and night. Flash, flash, look and see. Twinkle just for you and me. Bounce, bounce, up so high. Touch the fluffy clouds up high. Giggle, wiggle, clap and cheer. Fun is everywhere right here. Wave hello, 1, 2, 3. Happy friends for you and me. Dance together, clap along. Everybody sing this song. Hip, hip, hooray, hooray. What a happy, fun-filled day. Wave goodbye with a big smile. See you soon in a little while. Bye-bye. Yay, that was so much fun. Thanks for riding with us. See you next time. Bye-bye.